page number 65, paragraph 3rd. In August 1607, bad drinking water, disease-carrying mosquitoes, and lack of food caused the settlers to fall sick. Now these people, they started falling sick because the drinking water was very bad, and even because of the mosquitoes and lack of food, all these things, combined, these things made these settlers fall sick, and they started falling sick. Many had died because of these issues. By the end of the first year, only by the end of the first year itself, only 38 of the original, that is 104 total settlers were there, and only 38 could survive, rest everybody died, had survived. Gradually the English colonists and the tribes began to trade with each other. Now because these colonists and they were staying together, obviously, so they started trading with each other, slowly and gradually. The Powhatans offered food in exchange for the settlers. Now these people, they started giving them food, and in return these people, the English colonists, they used to give their guns and all that. Okay, so they used to give their tools and all. So barter system started, exchange, barter system. The Powhatans offered food in exchange for the settlers, tools and other goods also. Their relationship was an uneasy one, and though they started trading, they had some trade relation between them, but it was not easy going, Conflicts were often going on there. Although the Powhatan offered gifts of food, they also sometimes attacked colonists. So, though these people, the Native Americans, they used to offer food to the English colonists, but then also they would attack these people, and in turn, even the English colonists, they also used to attack these people because they needed food. Because they were not very good farmers, that is why they needed food, and they would attack them for food, whereas these people, they would attack them for their goods and all. So it was going on from both the sides. One day Captain Smith and his men went into the forest, but one day what happened, Captain Smith along with his men, he went towards the Native Americans' place in the forest in search of food. Why? Because these people, they were not good farmers and they needed food. So in search of food, John Smith along with his men, he was wandering in the forest in search of food. And at that time what happened? They were captured by the tribe and taken to Chief Powhatan. So the tribal people, they captured these men. John Smith along with his men, he was captured and taken to Powhatan, the chief of Powhatan Confederacy. So they were. Now Captain Smith tried to communicate to Chief Powhatan in sign language because they did not know their language. They were unaware. They were not aware of their languages. So John Smith started talking to him in his sign language, and trying to tell Powhatan, the chief of Powhatan Confederacy, he started telling him that we live in peace. We want to live here in peace with you. And then he started offering him one compass also. He offered him as a gift of compass. You can see in the picture also that he is showing this. You can see the compass in his hand. Okay. Powhatan and his tribe thought it was magic and wanted to kill him. So, whereas the tribal people, they thought, oh, it is some magic, and that is why they wanted to kill John Smith. But then what happened? Pocahontas, the girl Pocahontas, she came there and she started begging her father to leave John Smith, to spare his life, and that is how she succeeded ultimately. Like she succeeded, and John Smith was not killed by Powhatan and his men, and ultimately she was able to gain his friendship, John Smith's friendship. After this incident, Pocahontas and John Smith became great friends. Soon Pocahontas became a familiar face in the settlement. Soon this girl Pocahontas, who belonged to the Native Americans, she became a familiar face with these people. Why? Because she had saved the life of John Smith. Okay, that is why she became a familiar face and a loved girl. girl between these people. She sometimes brought gifts of food from her father to the colonists. John Smith taught her English and she taught him her language. So, exchange of language started taking place. Okay, so these people, they started learning the language of Americans, whereas Americans started learning their the language of English people. So exchange of language took place now. Okay, so in the beginning, exchange of trade was being taken, then food barter system, exchange of food and items, and now see the language also. Slowly and steadily with the culture will take, exchange will take place. Then he told her about London and its enormous buildings, and then he started telling Pocahontas about London and the big, huge buildings which it had, and also about King James first and his palace, and about King James' palace, his royalty, about the men and women there and their culture. So, and he started telling her everything about London and its culture. Pocahontas listened with interest and dreamed about London, and obviously she was quite fascinated with the things that the colonist, the John Smith, he told. So she was quite fascinated and she started dreaming about that land. Now Chief Powhatan once sent her to Jamestown to ask the Englishmen to release their Native American captives. So once what happened? Chief Pocahontas' father sent Pocahontas to John Smith to release some of their men. Actually, these people, they had captured Native Americans, okay, and they were the captives with these people. So what Powhatan did, he sent his daughter Pocahontas to John Smith and asked him to release their men, okay, so their captives. So, and ultimately Pocahontas, she also got successful in releasing those captives. Means she could easily get her men out of John Smith. So again, she became a nice, you can say, foreign minister. So she could easily do that job, and diplomatic mission started. So she was successful in carrying out this diplomatic mission. However, this period of friendly trading did not last. So now, because she was able to release her men from John Smith, so she proved to be a nice diplomatic person between these two people, these two countrymen like Native Americans and English colonists. Okay, and so she was actually a thread between them. But this thread was not a strong thread. Ultimately, what happened? There was no peace at all, and the things were not going well. And suddenly, what happened? However, this period of friendly trading did not last. The struggling, unhealthy English colonists were desperate for food. Now, these people, they were desperate for food. Obviously, they needed food, and they did not have food. So now they wanted food anyhow from these Native Americans. But that year, the conditions were very bad. Drought conditions were there, no proper rains were there, and that is why these people could not grow enough crop. So they did not have enough food, whereas these people, they wanted food from them, and they could not supply. So ultimately what happened? There was a war between them. They wanted corn, but a terrible drought had reduced Powhatan crops, and the tribes had no surplus trade. The angry colonists began threatening the Powhatans, and they started threatening Native Americans. By winter, the Jamestown settlers had very little food to eat. Many settlers were ill and weak. Now these people, they were left with very little food, and they became quite weak and ill also. Pocahontas helped them by coaxing her father to share corn, meat and other food with the colonists. Now here Pocahontas also played a very important role. She started insisting her father to supply some food, meat and all those things to these English colonists. But when more ships from from England came to Jamestown, Powhatan was concerned about the future of his tribe and refused to give them more food. But when these people, when they saw that the English colonists are coming more and more to their land in their ships, then these people, the Native Americans, they started worrying about their own tribes and about their own people. That now, because many men are coming from the other side, obviously they are going to threaten and kill them. So they were quite worried, and so they were not ready to supply them food. Because if they are not going to have enough food, these English colonists, then obviously these people, they will run away from there. So that is what they wanted. The Americans wanted. Now we are on page number 66. One night, Powhatan and John Smith tried to settle a negotiation. You know what negotiation means? Talk. They were talking. They were sitting at one place and talking to each other. They were trying to negotiate so that they could live peacefully there. So, Powhatan and John Smith tried to settle a negotiation till past midnight. And when they were talking, they did not know about the time, and it was almost midnight. And then this John Smith, obviously he could not return to his colony, and so Powhatan suggested that Captain Smith sleep in the small cabin near the river. So he suggested him that it's better you sleep here in the small cabin near the river, and tomorrow morning you can go to your place. Captain Smith was completely unaware of the chief's intention to kill him. Now here, the chief, he had that intention that I must kill John Smith so that all the problem is over. So that is what his idea was, to kill him. And that is why he insisted him to sleep there near the river in the small cabin. That night, Pocahontas warned him of the ambush planned by her father. And that night, what Pocahontas did? She went to John Smith and she told him that my father wants to kill you. It's better you run away from here. And that is how John Smith, he ran away from there and he was able to save his life. That night so Captain Smith did not wait any longer and left for Jamestown in the middle of the night. So in the midnight he ran away to his own place, that is Jamestown. There he told the settlers that Pocahontas saved his life again. And then this is the second time that she was saving the life, isn't it? The first time was when he was captured by the Native Americans and taken to Powhatan. Okay, and then he started giving him, he started talking to him in the sign language, and he also offered that compass, but the people did not believe him and they wanted to kill him. And it was that time when Pocahontas asked her father to save his life. That was the time when Pocahontas asked her father not to kill John Smith. That was the first time, and now this is the second time when she warned John Smith that her father is going to kill him in the middle of the night, so it's better to go away from that place. So John Smith, he ran away in the middle of the night. He went to Jamestown, and that is how he saved his life. And then there he went and he told his men that this is the second time that Pocahontas has saved my life. Soon after this, Captain Smith returned to England, and then Captain Smith, after that, he returned to England. And why he returned? Because there was no food, and these people, they were not ready to help these people, and that is why he returned there for a solution. Now, page number 66, the last two paragraphs we are going to do. In Pocahontas' village, means in the village of Pocahontas, where she used to stay, in their village, people started thinking that Captain Smith was dead, because they did not see Captain Smith after that, because he had already gone to London. So the people did not see him, and they thought that maybe he is no more now, he is dead. However, when more and more settlers, white settlers came to Jamestown, like when more and more English people, when they started coming to Jamestown, to their land, Chief Powhatan declared war on the settlers. So Chief Powhatan, what he did, he declared a war on these people. He wanted to kill them. He sent Pocahontas to live with Potomac tribe. Potomac tribe was one of their tribes, American tribes. So Pocahontas was sent to Potomac tribe so that she could be safe there. Otherwise, these people, they are going to kill Pocahontas, maybe. So the father, he sent her there. Fearing that she might come to harm otherwise. So obviously he was scared. Pocahontas was saved with the Potomac tribe, Chief Japazaws. So Chief Japazaws was the head of the Potomac tribe. So of the Potomac tribe, who was the head? Chief Japazaws was his name, and he was the head of the Potomac tribe, where Pocahontas was sent by her father so that she might be safe there. And she was obviously safe there. These Pocahontas met Chief Japazaws' friend. So the chief of Potomac tribe, he was Chief Japazaws. One of his friend was an Englishman, and he was Samuel Urgell. Captain Samuel Urgell was Japazaws' friend. And there Pocahontas happened to meet this friend, okay, who was an Englishman, an English explorer who lived in Jamestown. So that means again Pocahontas was connected to the Britishers. One day, Captain Urgell invited Chief Japazaws. So one day what happened? Captain Urgell, who was an English colonist, he invited Japazaws, who was the head of the Potomac tribe, where Pocahontas was there, kept by her father. So he was invited to his wife, Japazaws' wife, and Pocahontas, they were invited to Captain Urgell's place. And obviously they visited there. The chief and his wife managed to lure Pocahontas onto Urgell's ship. So somehow the chief Japazaws and his wife, they forced her to enter the ship in order to see that ship. And so she went there inside. Pocahontas, they were well looked after by sunset. Pocahontas realized, so these people, they were quite well looked after there by Mr. Urgell. And then in the evening, by the sunset, Pocahontas realized that she was made Captain Urgell's prisoner. That now she's a captive. She's a prisoner of Captain Urgell. Chief Japazaws and his wife had helped Captain Urgell capture Pocahontas. So ultimately, Pocahontas, she became the prisoner of Captain Urgell. Okay, and it was all because of the chief Japazaws and his wife. So these two people, they exchanged this girl in place the payment of copper kettle and some colored beads. Just for a copper kettle and colored beads, these two husband wife, they gave Pocahontas to Miss Captain Urgell. So she was a captive there with Captain Urgell. Captain Urgell did not want to hurt Pocahontas, but he persuaded a local chief to join forces with him against Powhatan. Now what Captain Urgell did, he insisted one of the local of Native American in order to join hands with these English people, and then he wanted his help to declare war against Powhatans. Means he was very cunning and using these people only against Americans only. So very cunning. So Captain Urgell did not want to, and he never wanted to hurt Pocahontas. Why? Because actually Pocahontas was loved by the English people also. Because everybody knew that she is the girl who had saved John Smith's life twice. So she was very famous there also, and people liked her. And here also, she was a daughter of this place, Americans, and that is why she was liked here also. So if any harm was done by Mr. Urgell, obviously they are not going to spare Mr. Urgell also. So he did not harm, he never wanted to harm Pocahontas. In order to declare war against Native Americans, what he did, he allured some of the natives of Americans, local people of that place, in order to do war against these people, Americans. So he was very cunning. Urgell then sailed to Jamestown Everyone in Jamestown liked Pocahontas because they knew that she had saved James Smith's life twice and had brought them food during long winter. They also knew that Pocahontas was a girl who brought them food during the winter when they were starving, when they did not have any food. Pocahontas was treated well, given English clothes to wear, taught English, and introduced to English manners and customs. So that is how Pocahontas was loved there with the people of English colonists also. She was famous here also, and she was famous with her own natives American wife because she was a daughter of that place. So children, we are going to stop here, and in our next period we are going to do the left of the chapter. Next of that, only 2 pages are left, so we will be doing in the next period. Now I give you some assignment today.